How to turn on show go to button settings on a Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find show go to button settings on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click web page view and scrolling, and here you will find show go to button. If you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it one click and as you see show go to button have been turned on. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.